Let's make a super tasty, super spicy spice mix. Fire salt. In a mortar and pestle goes smoked paprika. You can use the regular stuff. Garlic powder. Onion powder. And lemon pepper seasoning. I use the kind that doesn't have any salt, but you can use whatever you have. And a touch of sugar. Grind it up. You don't technically have to do this, but you get a better spice mix, and it only takes a second. Now you'll need some powdered cheese. I buy this stuff in bags online, but to be honest, you can pilfer the cheese from your favorite box of mac and cheese. Just don't forget to use the noodles. Add in your ground spices, and a little bit of salt. You can leave the salt out if your lemon pepper seasoning had salt in it. Last but not least, cayenne pepper. Go easy with this. It's very spicy. I usually start with about 1/8 of a teaspoon, but you can go as much as, I don't know, half a teaspoon? Just be careful with it. It burns. Once it's all mixed up, you can store it. In a mason jar, preferably, but I'm keeping it in this vial, for aesthetic reasons, of course. What is it good on? For me, I like it on savory stuff, like chips or popcorn. You could do donuts too, but I wouldn't recommend that. Fire salt burns, but it's yummy. Thanks for watching. If you want to check out more Stephen Universe recipes, check out this playlist. In the meantime, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps my channel grow. See you guys next time. Bye!